What's up, guys? This is Anthony. Haven't done a bike check in a while, so I'm gonna update my parts. ODI long neck grips. Cardinal bars. I don't know if you guys heard of them. Sunday Freeze top load stem. Fit Blade 2 forks. Shadow Raptor front hub with a Shadow Raptor front hub guard. Colony peg. Shadow spokes, nipples, and an alienation rim with a Fit 2.25 tire. I have a Verde frame, or that's at least what the guy told me it was. Colony fantastic pedals. They're really good. I like them. Premium cranks, 48 spline. Sabrosa, I think it's a Sabrosa Bandit sprocket. I'm not sure. Shadow Interlock 2 chain. Shadow fat seat with the premium stump post, integrated seat clamp. Shadow Raptor back hub, it's left-hand drive. Shadow spokes, nipples, and a Primo balance wheel in orange. A Maxxis Miracle tire with a Verde peg. And that's my bike check. Thanks for watching.